to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me. From cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been till you've been touched by LaFone.
Hello, my beauties. We are here with the updated foundation routine. And guess what? We're not even using foundation. So I took my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, placed that all over my face. I am now blending it with a foundation brush, one of those dense foundation brushes. Sometimes I use a beauty blender. Sometimes I use a foundation brush. It depends on what I want to reach for and how much coverage I want. So I'm blending. Keep the blending going. Blend it. You want it to look like your skin and not just sit on your skin. So you want to blend it in. Again, blending is the key. Blend. Now I'm taking my Outlast Extreme Wear Concealer by CoverGirl. This is my new favorite concealer. Oh my gosh, I can't even express how much I love this concealer because it lasts all day. Placing it under my eyes. I will place it in my T-zone. I will place it on my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead, and a little bit underneath my contour. But you want to blend. Again, blend. After I blend with the beauty blender, I then blend with my foundation brush. Not putting any other product on the brush, just blending it out. Now, if you want more tips, make sure you take my virtual class. Subscribe.